shampoo, man. I gotta wash my hair too.
We're getting ready for that meeting on Monday, buddy, everybody. Teresa,
Yeah.
you got a meeting with Teresa and the government on Monday for benefits and resources. We don't run no flop house here. We got cleanliness. Clean. You feel better after that clean. Okay, if it gets cold, then there's no charge for cold water. You're doing good, bro. You got some on the neck, the lower part of the neck. You got to get back. There you go. Now you're getting rid of it all. There you go. Yep. Face and ears. Yep. There you go. That's it, folks. Less than 3 minutes. Mr. Boone, do you feel better?
Feel like a new man, Mike.
Do you? You're laughing. That's good. You do feel good. You look good. You old hound dog. Let me see. You smile for us? You're a good man. I gotta get the burgers.